Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to check the LEDs. Go to the menu button, click 1 for operator, click 4 for lamp test. See, all the LEDs are okay. Then go to the home page. Then we will see how to check the keypad. Click on menu, go to the operator, click 5 for keypad test. Check, see, now the last key pressed 5. Okay, here will be written which key I will be press. Okay, see the disable key I will press written disable, silent written silent around. Like this we are check all the buttons. Okay, more up, more down. Okay guys, then again come to the home page,